Part 4 is the router. The outcomes of router. Understand how to connect two different LAN using router practically in CPT. Router connects two or more different LANs. It is layer 3 network layer device. Store routing table. Router inevitable device in the network. And is the working of router. And now, we're gonna do router using the Cisco Packet Tracer Part 4. Pumunta tayo sa ating Cisco Packet Tracer workspace and then click the switch. Switch again. So now as you can see, meron tayong dalawang switch para sa ating paggawa ng router. Click the PC and then add. Click again the PC. Add. Click again the PC and then add. Click the PC and add. Click again the PC and then add sa ating workspace hanggang sa magkaroon tayo ng 6 na PC. So as you can see, meron tayong dalawang LAN. And then click the connector, click the straight through, click the PC and then connect sa ating switch. Then pupunta ulit natin siya sa pinakauna. Then click again the connector, click the PC, click the switch and then connect. Click again the connector, click the PC, click the fast Ethernet and then connect sa switch. And then click again sa ating connector na straight through and then click the PC and then connect sa ating switch. Babalik ulit tayo sa 0/1 and then click again, then connect sa ating switch. Connector again, PC, fast Ethernet and connect sa ating switch. So as you can see, meron na tayong dalawang switch. Then click the PC, desktop, IP configuration, input an IP address which is 25.25.25.1. And then click the subnet mask and then highlight and then Control C para makopy natin ang ating IP address at hindi na lang tayo mahirapan sa pagta-type. Then desktop IP config, then Control V to face, papalitan natin yung 1 and 2 and then subnet mask X and gagawin uli natin siya sa ating desktop number 3 IP address, Control V again to paste, papalitan natin yung 1 ng 3 and then subnet mask. And then sa ating kalawang LAN naman, next 192.168.1.1 and then subnet mask. Highlight again and then Control C to copy. And then sa ating ikalawa, desktop IP configuration, IP address, Control V to face, papalitan natin yung 1 ng 2 and then subnet mask X. And sa ating last PC, desktop again IP configuration, Control V to face and then papalitan natin yung 1 ng 3 and then X. So as you can see, meron ng IP address and then click tayo, pupunta tayo ng router. Ang pinili nating router ay ang 2911 and then click the straight through, click the switch and then pipiliin natin ang gigabit Ethernet 01 and then 00, connect sa ating router, ganun uli and then gigabit Ethernet number 2 and then connect and then 0 and 1. So as you can see, hindi pa siya nag-green, just click the router and then punta tayo sa config, gigabit Ethernet 01 and then put an IP address which is 25.25.4. Kasi ang ating PC ay 1 to 3, so ang magiging IP address ng ating router ay 4. Ganun din sa gigabit Ethernet 2, just input 192.168.1.4 and then subnet mask and then just turn on para mag-green na ang ating and then X. So as you can see, green na. Hintayin na lang natin mag-green yung mga nakakulay orange. And just click the PC. And then, maglalagay tayo ng default gateway. Ang lalagay natin default gateway ang 25.25.25.4. And then, highlight Ctrl-C para makopy. At same na lang ang ilalagay nating default gateway sa PC number 1 hanggang 3. Ctrl-V to face. And then X. Click again the PC number 3. And then default gateway. Ctrl-V. And then X. At sa ating pangalawang switch naman, just click again the IP configuration. Default gateway. Ang ilalagay naman natin dito ay ang 192.168.1.4. And then highlight again. Ctrl-C to copy. And then X. Click the PC again. IP config. Default gateway. And then Ctrl-V. X. And then sa ating last PC, ganun ulit ang gagawin natin. IP config. Default gateway. Just Ctrl-V to copy. And to paste. And then so as you can see, meron na. And then command prompt. Just type ipconfig and then run. So as you can see, nag-run ang ating PC number 1. And just highlight and then type ping 192.168.1. And then so as you can see, nag-run ang ating then just type again the ping 192.168.1.2. And then so as you can see, nag-run uli. Ayan, nagre-reply na. And then type again the ping 192.168.1.1. So as you can see, nag-reply uli siya. And then X. So now after that, mag-send na tayo ng data sa ating source. So ang ating source ng data ay ang PC number 1 at ang pinakadulong PC. Ang ating source ay ang PC na mayroong IP address na 25.25.25.1 at ang ating destination ang PC na mayroong IP address na 192.168.1.3. So as you can see, bumalik na uli siya and then babalik na sa ating destination. And then play again the button. Babalik sa switch. And then click again. And then babalik na siya sa ating source, which is the number 1 PC. And after that, kapag nakita nating tinanggap na ng destination at ng source ang PC,